How to hide friends on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So here's how you can manage who sees your Snapchat content since you can't directly hide friends on Snapchat. So Snapchat prioritizes user privacy, so there isn't a way for others to see your friends list, nor can hide your specific friends from appearing on your profile. However, you can control who sees your content. Go ahead and adjust your privacy settings. So go ahead and open your Snapchat application. Tap on the Bitmoji icon in the top left corner of the screen and then go to the settings by tapping on gear icon in the top right corner to access settings. Now scroll down and tap on Contact Me option. There you will see two different options of friends and contacts. Go ahead and set it to friends only. Then scroll down, go to View My Story, and here you can go ahead and tap on Custom and select the specific friends that you want to keep to view your story. You can also go ahead and block someone. By blocking someone, it prevents them from seeing your stories or sending you snaps. And you can also enable Ghost Mode to hide your location and activity from everyone. Access it through your profile by tapping on the Bitmoji in the top left and go to the Ghost Mode icon. And that's it. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again in the next one.